Hey everyone, welcome to all guys. Do you want to know about why Vovi's reviews? If yes, then do not worry because in the next few minutes we are going to update you with the unbiased review. Also, people from United States are also curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular website, and if you are one of them, then stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this site and have not received your product or got damaged product at your doorstep, then you must watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's begin with the homepage of the site, and here is the homepage of the site. It is an online shopping site that is claiming to offer women's fashion wear including tops, dresses, mini, midi, maxi dresses, casual dresses, spring and summer collection, blouses, two-piece sets. If you want to check out the particular product, then you need to click your desired option and you will get the description, size chart and various customer reviews on the platform. Now moving on to the payment information, guys, let's check out the payment information of this website. So they have not provided the exact payment method section, but let's check out the FAQ section if they have mentioned. So no payment information is available in the FAQ section as well. So let's check out the payment methods of the site by adding the product into the cart. So you can make the payment via PayPal or credit card including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Dinners Club, MX, etc. Moving on to the shipping policy of this website, let's check out the shipping and delivery information page. So guys, they have provided a postal and express shipping which is 35 business days, and again they have used the format of other problematic sites which is a negative sign. On the other hand, guys, when it comes to the company's information, let's check out the about us page. But before going further, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. You know why? Because it will help you guys to get the notifications each time. So without ado, let's get started and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a plus point. But when it comes to the domain information of the site, it was created on 12th of March 2021. And this is a newly launched site, which is only registered for 1 year. Thus, the site can't be trusted. So moving on to the company's information, click on the About Us page. And they have provided the improper About Us information. No information is available regarding business establishment, year, business owner name, brand connection info, which is a negative highlight. Moving on to the contact us page, they have provided the query form and email address. Email matches with the domain name, which is a plus point, but no details are available regarding business official address and contact number, which is not a good sign. And you can see the site has mentioned two social media icons including Facebook and Instagram. The site comes with less followers, that is 492 followers on Facebook and 86 followers on Instagram. So guys, they have recently created their Facebook profile on March 18th and 2021. So you can see this is the Instagram platform of the site, but due to the less number of followers, we can't claim the site legit, guys. And without wasting time, let's read out the return policy of this website. So they have provided 30 days of return policy, and guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding return of the product. However, they have used the content or information of other sites as well, or you can say problematic site, which is a negative sign. Now moving on to the customer reviews, guys. They have provided positive customer reviews on some products that are listed on the website. But when we have checked out the customer reviews, we have found one negative comment on this about the site, guys. But that negative comment, or you can say the mixed comment, was not related to the site. One of the customer wrote, I bought the line for my granddaughter and she loves it. It is exceptionally well made and came with an adorable handwritten note of thanks. We couldn't be happier with the purchase. So this is really irrelevant and got 3.7 rating out of 5. On the other hand, here are the customer reviews that you can check. So most of the customer reviews are positive, which is a drawback, guys, because no negative comment is available and it can't make the site legit. Of course, when we have searched about the trust index score of the site, the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. And this is the trust index score that define its suspiciousness or low popularity. And of course, guys, the site comes with low Alexa rank, low popularity, low traffic rank. So yes, we would say you should stay away from this website, because we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as it appears to be a scam site. And if you're having some return issues, then description area, there you will find some